Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make an image round rectangle in Photoshop for 2 way. Step 1. See this image. Step 1. Create a new layer. Select the shape. Right click. Use rounded rectangle and use your rounded rectangle radius. Increase. This pixel resolution is biggest. Then use 115 px or up to 200 as you wish. Press enter. Then click and drag on your mouse. I use update 7px. Delete this. Okay. Then fix size. Hold control. Select this shape. Select the image. Create a layer mask or move this. I use create a layer mask for this best way. Then remove it. Right click. Convert to smart object. And step 2, I apply for another video. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.